Sharp Take. Cut through the noise.
Presented by Sharp Take. Why Cloudflare WARP is not connecting in New York. Disclaimer. This video is for general information and social commentary only. It does not constitute any legal, financial, telecommunications, or engineering advice. The author is not a licensed attorney, network engineer, or financial advisor. There is no commercial affiliation with any brand mentioned. This content is for reference only and does not guarantee completeness, accuracy, or suitability. Viewers should verify any information before taking action and assume full responsibility. The I or we in this script are fictional narrators. This video does not represent any organization or platform. Opening. Hey everyone, this is Sharp Take. Today, we're talking about a question that's frustrating many users in big cities across the US, especially in New York. Why is Cloudflare WARP not connecting? Why do so many users see the message connection failed or CF connectivity failure unknown? This isn't just a VPN problem. Even your home Wi-Fi or office network might get blocked or throttled. In this video, we'll explore everything step by step. We'll explain what kind of IP address you're using, why WARP blocks so many IPs, and how to fix Cloudflare WARP connection issues safely and effectively. Let's make your internet fast and stable again. Chapter 1. What kind of IP do you have? Before we fix anything, we need to understand one key question. What kind of IP are you using right now? Residential IP, this is your home broadband connection. It usually represents a real individual user and is considered the most trustworthy. Commercial or office IP, commonly used by companies, schools, or co-working spaces. Several computers share a single outbound connection. This high-density traffic often looks automated to WARP's filters. VPN or data center IP, these are provided by services like Surfshark or NordVPN. They're great for privacy, but many are flagged as non-personal because too many users share the same server. Cloudflare WARP identifies and classifies IPs by trust level. This system decides whether your connection is allowed or rejected. Chapter 2. Why is Cloudflare WARP blocking so many IPs? Cloudflare operates one of the largest content delivery networks, or CDNs, on Earth. Every day, it handles billions of requests from around the world. To prevent spam, DDoS, and abuse, WARP filters traffic by origin and risk level. In crowded hubs like New York, Los Angeles, and Miami, VPN data centers and cloud servers generate massive traffic. Many attacks, scrapers, and bots also come from these same networks. Cloudflare's system checks each connection's ASN, the autonomous system number, and monitors request patterns such as frequency, location, and type. So when WARP detects that your IP belongs to DataCamp M247 or Contabo, it automatically blocks or throttles the connection. That's when you see the message, CF connectivity failure unknown. In short, WARP isn't broken, it's protecting itself. Chapter 3. What about home or office networks? If your home or office IP still connects to WARP, congratulations. You're using a trusted connection that benefits from Cloudflare's backbone acceleration. Your DNS, browsing traffic, and privacy are encrypted end-to-end. But if WARP fails to connect or keeps disconnecting, don't worry. You still have a solution, using a VPN node that WARP trusts. Try switching to a reputable commercial VPN provider such as Surfshark, NordVPN, or ProtonVPN. Then change your VPN exit node to a clean city, like Boston, Ashburn, or Chicago. These cities have more reliable providers, Amazon, Linode, Cogent, which usually pass Cloudflare's WARP verification without issues. Chapter 4. 2 routes, similar effect. Now let's compare the two main routes that work with Cloudflare WARP. Option 1, your residential IP combined with WARP. See Option 2, a VPN node overlaid with WARP. From an encryption and performance perspective, both setups achieve a similar result. Your connection becomes encrypted. Your DNS traffic is protected. And your visible IP belongs to Cloudflare under AS 13335, a highly trusted network. This not only makes your browsing faster and safer, but it also prevents websites from mistakenly flagging you as a bot. That's great news for YouTube, Gmail, and SEO-related tools. Chapter 5: How to Fix Cloudflare WARP Connection Issues. Let's walk through a few quick steps to fix common warped problems. Step 1. Switch your VPN node to Boston or Ashburn for cleaner routing. Step 2. In the WARP app, make sure your mode is set to HTTPS or WARP+. Step 3. Turn on WARP first, then enable your VPN connection. Step 4. Visit https://1111help and confirm it says using DNS over WARP equals yes. If you see that line, congratulations again. Your Cloudflare WARP connection is active, stable, and secure. Your tunnel is running smooth and your internet is officially fast again. Ending. So no, New York's IPs aren't broken. They're just overcrowded and heavily shared. Cloudflare blocks overused or abused IP ranges to keep the global network clean and secure. But if you adjust your route and use WARP properly, your internet can still be lightning fast and private. If this video helped you fix your Cloudflare WARP or VPN connection problem, leave a comment below. Tell us which city node worked best for you. And if you'd like more tech explainers like this, remember to like, subscribe, and share. I'm SharpTake. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.
Stay tuned for more sharp insights and analysis. Subscribe now.